If you want to learn how to build this simple embroidery machine stand, stick around. I'll show you how. I'm using this scrap piece of wood from an old pallet to make the support pieces. The support pieces are going to be 10 inches wide and 4 inches tall. I remember this saw was my dad's, and I remember, I guess the earliest I remember is 12 years old, seeing this saw in his shop. This saw has cut a lot of wood. I'm putting the center support piece at 10 inches from the end. Your mother. I'll have to fix that. That'll work. I have to cut that one out. These are really cool corner clamps I got off of Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description below. Oops. Good. I don't know why I didn't just lay this thing flat to nail these. It's because of that knot in the wood. Oh, that one went in. Huh. Whoops. On this shirt. I'll be mad. Sticks it too low. All right, let's see. This side's the smoothest. A little bit. Let's see. Okay. Good. Perfect. 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 Now we're going to set these nails a little bit deeper. Put some wood filler in there, sand everything down again, and then paint it. Wood filler in there, and we're time to paint this thing. Okay, so the person that asked me to make the stand for them, informed me after I assembled it that they wanted me to laser some initials on it. Well, it was too big to put in my laser, so I had to put some boards. I put some scrap wood under my laser to raise it up so that I could actually laser this stand after it was assembled. And it's all done. I hope she likes it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless, and y'all take care.